In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Clickup data efficiently and securely. Whether you're managing a large team or just keeping track of your own projects, having a backup is crucial to ensure that your work is never lost. Today, we'll break down the process into simple, manageable steps, so you can feel confident about securing your information. First, let's talk about why backing up your Clickup data is so important. While Clickup is a robust platform that prioritizes data security, ensuring you have a backup means you have an extra layer of protection. Whether it's accidental deletion, technical glitches, or any other unforeseen issue, having your data backed up can save you time and stress in the long run. To get started, open your Clickup account and navigate to the sidebar on the left. Locate the Spaces section, which organizes all your projects and tasks. Here, you'll want to select the specific space that you wish to back up. Once inside the desired space, look for the three-dot menu in the upper right corner. This menu contains additional options for managing your space. Click on this menu, and you'll see a drop-down list of options. From this menu, choose Export. This feature allows you to export your space's data in various formats, giving you flexibility depending on how you plan to use or store the backup. Often, exporting as a CSV file is recommended due to its compatibility with many different applications. Once selected, your export will begin, and you'll be prompted to download the file to your device when it's ready. Make sure you choose a location that you'll remember, possibly creating a dedicated folder for backups to keep everything organized. If you're managing backups for multiple spaces, you'll repeat these steps for each one. It might seem a tad repetitive, but each backup will ensure that all areas of your workload are protected. For those who might forget to regularly back up their data manually, consider setting a reminder in your calendar to revisit this process weekly or monthly, depending on how frequently changes occur in your Clickup account. Additionally, it's wise to store a copy of your backup in a cloud service. Utilize services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or any cloud storage you prefer. By doing so, you're safeguarding your data from local device failures. Always encrypt sensitive files to add an extra layer of security before uploading them to the cloud. While Clickup currently doesn't offer an automatic backup feature, being proactive about these manual backups will fortify your preparedness against potential data loss. Following these steps consistently will ensure that your valuable work is secure and easily recoverable. Thanks for tuning in today.